Hello, welcome to our channel. Today, in this short tutorial, I will show you how to get note feature on Instagram app on iPhone. It's pretty simple. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram app. There are different ways to do this. I will tell you a few ways. Go to your inbox. If you don't have this feature in your account, the first thing you have to do is to check your Instagram app version. If you are using an old version, so please update it. Hope you will get the feature. If you don't find it still, here is another solution. There are actually different types of Instagram accounts. First is the personal account, the second is the business account, and the third is the creator account. If you have a personal or business account, you should switch it to a creator account. Because most of the time in the creator account we get this feature. Let me tell you how to do it. First of all, you should come here and click on Profile at the bottom. Then click on the three lines at the top. Then click on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and click on Account Types and Tools. Now click on the first option. Click on Continue. Now select a category here. Like I am choosing here the digital creator. Now click on the Done button. Now you will see two options. Now select the creator. And press the next button. Now our account has changed to a creator account. After following all these things, hopefully, your note feature will be there. But if still you don't get this option, then let me tell you another solution. Now click on the profile icon. And then click on the three lines in the top right corner. Click on Settings and Privacy. And scroll down. Here you will see the Help option. After clicking on the option, all you have to do is to click on the Report a Problem. Choose any option according to your choice. Like I am choosing here the second option to proceed further without shaking my phone. Here you have to write the problem that you are facing. After explaining, just click on Send button. So the Instagram team will act on it in a few hours or a few days and solve your problem. Hopefully, after that, you will get that feature. Hopefully, this video helped you a lot. If yes, please like this video and share it with others. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.